Hello, my name is Travis Meeks and I'm with ePermits. Today I'm going to walk you through requesting your inspection for your fire code boarding home permit. So to get started, let's log back into ePermits by first entering our username and our password and then selecting the login button. Once we've logged in, we'll go to the dashboard. We'll go up to the navigation bar along the top, select Inspection, then select Request Inspection. It will take you to the inspection screen where you will see your location on a map. You can zoom into that location and click on the red pin. It'll open up and show you the permit details. You'll select the green details button to open up the inspection request form. Now, all boarding home inspections require a pre-inspection document to be completed and submitted to the fire marshal's office. The fire code as-built certificate and the link highlighted here will download that PDF form, you'll complete it, and then submit it to the fire marshal. Once it's approved, then you can log back into ePermits and make your request for inspection. Once you make your request for inspection, you'll get a pop-up that'll tell you it'll be 2 to 3 business days before somebody will contact you to schedule that inspection. That is the process in ePermits to request your inspection. Now, if you're unable to request it that way, you can go and request it manually by going to Harris County's permits webpage, and under box number 3 here, you can go down to the link that says inspection request, click on it. Then the icon that shows the fire marshal's logo, you'll click on that icon. And that will take you to the inspection request form for the fire marshal's office. Now, in this particular form, you're able to download the same as-built certificate, complete it, and you can also fill out the form document here. Once you're completed filling out this form, then you'll click the submit button, and that will submit it over to the fire marshal's office. Somebody will contact you within 2 to 3 business days, and you will schedule your inspection.